Hi, I built a AegisDB to fix a simple problem. Production databases quietly accumulate bad data, and fixing it today is slow, manual, and depends on whoever understands the schema. AegisDB automates that entire loop. It detects issues, uses AI to diagnose them, tests fixes in an isolated Postgres sandbox, and then asks for approval before applying anything to the production. Everything is tagged with a full audit and rollback. It runs a six-stage event-driven pipeline, and on top of that, you get a clean UI for proposals, a Slack bot that actually answer, and auto documentation that turns every fix into a permanent record. Let me show you how it works. So first thing, you connect your database. I have got Northwind Postgres instance running locally. You put it your host, port, database name, credential, hit connect. AegisDB now does a few things behind the scenes. It registered this database with open metadata, runs ingestion to pull the schema, and then profile every table to find existing anomalies. You can see the status going from pending to ingesting to profiling to be ready. And we are connected. HSGB is now watching this database. Alright, so while I was setting things up, a data quality test just failed. OpenMeta detected null values in employees.region column and fired a webhook to the HSGB. You can see the pipeline picked it up. The detector classified it as a null violation. The diagnose agent ran. It queried ChromaDB for similar past fixes, built a prompt with a full table schema, sent it to LLM, and now there is a proposal waiting for us. Here is the proposal. The AI found null values, 92% confidence, and generated a fix. You get the exact SQL, rollback SQL, and confidence. But the key part is the data difference. This is the real before and after. HSDB runs the fix in isolated Postgres sandbox on actual data. So you see exactly what changes. Now I approve it. The fix run in a transaction with assertion. So if anything fails, it rolls back, no partial writes, and it's applied. Everything ends up in audit log. You see the exact SQL rows affected and all assertion checked and passed. Rollback SQL is each entry has a permanent deep linked page. This is your paper trail. Since most team already work in Slack, I integrated the same pipeline there. AegisDB posts the issues automatically with full context. You see the failure type, tables, confidence, and a data difference, and you can approve or reject in one click. But the key part is you can ask questions. The bot pulls context from past incidents and give you a real answer, not a template. If you reject, you add a reason. The system remembers it, so next time it gets smarter. And the card updates with your decision. Now, my favorite part. This is where everything turns into documentation automatically. No manual work. Everything fix, every fix becomes a structured incident report with full context, timestamped and stored. You can drill into it and see the exact SQL, sandbox results, assertions, and even if this issues has happened before. At the same time, open metadata is updated. The columns get tagged with what was fixed, when, and why, so anyone can understand the history instantly. And in the Slack, the card updated with deep links to everything: the incident report, audit log, and metadata. One fix fully documented across all systems. That's AegisDB. It detects issues, fixes them safely in Sandbox, and only applies them with your approval. Everything is tracked, documented, and gets smarter over time. Next, I'm expanding this to multiple databases, scheduled runs, and team level approvals. But the core loop already works end to end. Detect, fix, validate, document. Thanks for watching.